Okay, so friends, here we have a spreadsheet that allows us to look at the impact of battery replacement on these 2020 Ford Escape hybrids. Okay, so it's going to be similar to what we did before, where we're looking at the cost per mile and the purchase price. So for example, let me look back up here real quick. For the Ford Escape Hybrid 2020, the base cost was $21,999. For the V6, it was $14,998. And the cost per mile, if we're using the combined mileage with that really cheap Oklahoma gas right now, which we're going to mess with that as we go, the V6 cost about 8.5 cents a mile, and the hybrid was about 5.3 cents a mile. 0.53. Okay, so now the difference is the hybrid now needs, this spreadsheet needs a battery cost for replacement and a battery length of time until replacement, or at least miles to replacement. So looking at the examples right above, it looks like $4,000 would be the cost of the replacement batteries. I'm going to put that in there. And as far as after how many miles, I didn't pick one here. So I'm going to throw a number in the middle there, 150,000 miles. Okay, so when you look at this, what you're seeing is the blue line is the V6. That hasn't changed. The red line is the hybrid cost. And what happens is that every 150,000 miles, the cost jumps up by $4,000. And the reason is because you are replacing the batteries every 150,000 miles. So you can see what begins to happen. You know, the red line's kind of creeping along, and then all of a sudden 150, boom, it jumps up again. So it looks like it's getting ready to intersect the blue line, and then it pops up. Now, what you're going to do throughout these homeworks is you're going to mess with not only the replacement battery mileage, you can make it 200,000. And you'll notice that that makes the lines jump differently. You can also make it jump, like I said, the clunker ones where they fail every 70,000 miles. And you can also mess with the cost of replacement batteries. Looks like it's anywhere from 2,000 to 10,000 these days. So what's interesting is depending on the situations and depending on the constraints, it's going to mess with the break-even point. And that's what this spreadsheet allows you to do. So read on and have some fun with this spreadsheet.